Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Bendy in Inky Reels. To start your quest, first make your way into the game's main lobby, often called the Big Room. From there, you'll need to find the stairs that lead up to the area where you can select different chapters. Once you're on the upper level, head directly into the room located on your left-hand side. This is where your journey to unlock Alpha Bendy truly begins. Once inside the left room, look closely for a significant crack in one of the walls. This crack marks the entrance to a secret, narrow passage. You might need to adjust your camera to a first-person view and turn your character sideways to squeeze through. It's a tight fit, but keep pushing forward. This hidden route is crucial for progressing towards your goal of obtaining Alpha Bendy. After successfully navigating the narrow passage, continue along the winding path until you reach its very end. There, you will discover a pool of dark ink. Simply walk into this ink to automatically receive the Old Memories badge. This specific badge is the key. Once it's yours, the Alpha Bendy morph will become available for you to use in the game's morphs area. Congratulations! With the Old Memories badge now in your possession, you can easily access your new Alpha Bendy morph. Head over to the game's morph section, usually found in the main menu or a dedicated area. Locate and select Alpha Bendy from the available options. You are now ready to explore the Inky Reels world as this distinctive character, enjoying your hard-earned reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.